Standard 8 Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 8, Creating Relationship in Access Part 2. In an Access database, you create a table relationship using one of the following methods. In the Relationships window, add the tables that you want to relate and then drag the field to relate them from one table to the other table. Now, create a table relationship by using the Relationships window on the Database Tools tab. In the Relationships group, click Relationships. On the Design tab in the Relationship group, click Add Tables or Show Table. Select one or more tables or queries and then click Add. After you have finished adding a tables and queries to the Relationships Document tab, click Close. You have to click the Close button to close the Show Table. Drag a field, typically the primary key, from one table to the common field, the foreign key in the other table. To drag multiple fields, press the Control key. Click each field and then drag them. The Added Relationships dialog box appears. Verify that the field names shown are the common fields for the relationship. If a field name is incorrect, click on the field name and select the appropriate field from the list. To enforce referential integrity for this relationship, select the Enforce Referential Integrity checkbox. Now student, checkbox means what? The checkbox is shown as a square box that is ticked. Click on the checkbox beside Cascade Update Related Fields option. Click on the checkbox beside Cascade Delete Related Field option. This option preserves the relationship when you add or delete the records. Click the Create button to create the relationship. Whenever you close the relationship window, Access asks if you want to save the layout, whether you save the layout or not. The relationship you have created are saved in the database. The tables are now related. If the relationship toolbar is not visible, select Database Tool tab Relationships option in the Show Hide group. To view existing relationships, switch to the Database window by clicking one of the Table tab. On the Database Tool tab, click on the Relationship button. To view all the relationship defined in the database, click on the Relationship button on the Relationship toolbar. Otherwise, if you want to view only the relationship defined for a particular table, then click on the table and then click on the Show Direct Relationship button on the Relationship toolbar. To edit an existing relationship, close all the table windows. You cannot modify relationships between open tables. Switch to the Database window by clicking one of the Table tabs. Click on the Relationship button on the Database Tool tab. If the tables with the relationships you want to edit are not displayed, then click on the Show Table button on the Relationship toolbar and click the relationship line for the relationship that you want to change. The relationship line appears thicker when it is selected. Reset the relationship options and click on the OK button. To delete a relationship, close all the table windows. You cannot delete relationships between open tables. To remove a table relationship, you must delete the relationship line in the relationships window. Position the cursor so that it points to the relationship line and then click the line. The relationship line appears thicker when it is selected. With the relationship line selected, press delete. Now, on the database tool tab, in the relationship group, click relationships. If the tables with the relationship you want to delete are not displayed, click on the show table button on the relationship toolbar and double click on each table you need to add, then click on the close button. Click the relationship line for the relationship that you want to delete. The relationship line appears thicker when it is selected. And then choose the delete option. Thank you.